Welcome to Decadent Delights, your go-to channel for indulgent desserts that won't break the carb or sugar bank. In today's video, we've got 12 low-carb, low-sugar desserts that are sure to satisfy your sweet tooth without the guilt. So let's get started. First up, we have a mouth-watering chocolate avocado mousse. It's creamy, rich, and packed with healthy fats. Next on the list is a classic favorite with the healthy twist low-carb cheesecake. Made with almond flour crust and sweetened with just a hint of natural sweeteners, it's a guilt-free treat you can indulge in. If you're a fan of fruity desserts, then you'll love our berry chia seed pudding. Full of antioxidants and fiber, it's a refreshing dessert that won't spike your blood sugar. Craving something crunchy? Arco chocolate chip cookies are the perfect fit. Made with almond flour and sweetened with stevia, you won't miss the traditional version at all. Looking for a frozen treat? Our homemade strawberry ice cream is just what you need. It's made with fresh strawberries and coconut milk, a real summer sensation. For the chocolate lovers out there, we have a decadent chocolate zucchini bread. It's moist, rich, and low in carbs and sugar, the ultimate guilt-free indulgence. If you're a fan of peanut butter, you can't miss our low-carb peanut butter cups. These homemade treats are a healthier take on the classic peanut butter and chocolate combination. Cream roll is a classic dessert, and we've managed to create a low-carb version that's just as delicious. You won't believe it's sugar-free. Need a quick and easy treat? Our vanilla coconut chia pudding is the answer. It's creamy, satisfying, and requires just a few simple ingredients. For those who love a fruity twist, our raspberry thumbprint cookies are a must-try. Made with almond flour and filled with raspberry chia jam, they're a guilt-free pleasure for your taste buds. Looking for a warm and comforting dessert? Our apple cinnamon mug cake is perfect for a cozy night in. It's low in carbs and packed with cozy flavors. Last, but not least, we have a luscious Avocado chocolate mousse. Made with coconut cream, cocoa powder, and a touch of stevia, it's the ultimate guilt-free indulgence to satisfy your chocolate cravings. That's it for today's video. We hope you enjoyed these 12 low-carb, low-sugar desserts. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment if you tried any of these recipes, and subscribe to our channel for more guilt-free indulgence. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.